Hi beauties, I hope you're doing great. I'm very excited because today I will be testing one of the Nutri products, and before I explain, I want to show you how cute it is. It has something like golden glitter and looks really pretty.
I look at you and it's easy to see. You are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number one.
Well, to apply it, we must have clean and wet hair.
You pick up the phone. Don't leave me hanging on the dial tone. Think back
Okay, now I will apply it.
to the night that we met. Jumping in the pool, talk to you, dripping wet. Nervous when I speak, so
I have to wait 2 or 3 minutes. Last, I have to rinse. And this is the result. I really love these products because my hair looks so shiny and healthy and I love it. So tell me, what do you think?
tongue, never thinking